Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Canva OAuth for authenticated design editor embedding, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Canva OAuth for embedding in authenticated design editor, first, ensure you have a Canva developer account. Navigate to the Canva developer portal and create a new application. Fill in the required details, including the application name and description. Once your application is created, make note of the client ID and client secret provided. Next, set the redirect URI where users will be redirected after authentication. This URI should match the location where you want to receive the authentication code. Now, proceed to implement the OAuth authorization flow in your application. Initiate the flow by redirecting users to the Canva authorization URL. Include your client ID, the desired scope, and the redirect URI in the URL. Once the user authenticates, Canva will redirect them back to your specified URI with an authorization code. Capture the authorization code from the URL parameters. To obtain an access token, make a POST request to the Canva token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, the authorization code, and the redirect URI in the request body. Upon receiving a successful response, you will obtain an access token. Store this access token securely, as it will be required for future requests. Now, you can embed the authenticated design editor using the access token. Construct the iframe URL for the Canva editor, including the access token as a parameter. Implement the iframe in your application for seamless integration. Conduct testing to ensure your authentication flow and embedding process works properly. Finally, monitor your application for any errors or issues during the authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.